Hey everybody, it's Neil and I got this Fliwos and it is, I don't know, I don't read Chinese, but it will be some pants. So this is what they look like here. They are nice pants, like suit kind of pants, but they are flexible and stretchy and everything else. They are made of polyamide, 81.8% and 18.2% of spandex, and they are size 33 is that what I got, but it looks like you could probably go to a buffet because it stretches. So I'm gonna try these on here and I'll show you what they look like so you guys can watch me try them on. How about that? Okay, I do have underwear on, so let's see. So this is how they look going on. You can see they got a pretty good fit. I got the buttons here, and it's got a nice button zip. These are ridiculously comfortable because they are kind of stretchy. So, man, these are awesome. If I ever have to dress up, these are going to be the pants I wear because, look at this, they look really nice. Yeah, look at that. There's no crease in them or anything, and they are nice, and these are like the perfect length for me. I'm about 5'10". Let me aim you guys down a little so you can see what I'm talking about. So here you can see me, and there you see my feet. And you can see it's about, the heel is almost touching the ground, so once I'm wearing shoes, it'll be up a little bit, and I can pull them up a little bit or whatever. But it's got a good waist feel, and it's got the little loops for a belt, and underpants a little bunched up, but you can see this is how it looks. That's how it looks from the back on my bottom side, but these are really comfortable. If I had to dress up anytime in the summer or something like that and wear something black, these would be great because they're totally breathable and they look amazing. I love it. They got good pockets here, and it looks like they got a couple of pockets in the back with the buttons on them. So if I need to carry a wallet or whatever in the back, I could. I usually just use front pockets anyway. But these are really nice, so I'm going to say these are great. And this is a size 33, and I'm about 190 pounds, so you can get the idea. Thumbs up.